everybody, we back again to do a little ride along. We won't be out here long. Your girl is still fighting. It's cold, but we got our first order. 2 miles, y'all. These miles ain't miling, thank goodness. We at Burger King. We're going to go in here and pick up for Dolores. Let's go. Yeah, y'all, that cold trying to take me out. Oh, let me. Yeah, we got a little wait on Dolores' order. It's a good order, though. Sometimes, you know, you got to wait. Y'all, this cold, oh, Lord. Whew, it's taking your girl out. That's why I'm not going to even be out here this long, but I need to make a little shmoney. You know what I mean? So we're going to hopefully, we're going to hopefully, we're going to hopefully have Dolores order soon. I couldn't stay inside of there because of copyright issues. They got some music playing. And it's better safe than sorry, you know? So I'll be back when we get Dolores' order. All right. We got the goods, y'all. Let's go deliver Dolores her food. That was a wait on that, too. Okay, you guys, we here at the senior facility. Let's go take Dolores her food. Child, they gave Miss Dolores two large drinks, y'all. One was a root beer and one was a Coke. Now, they got to figure out which one is which. She was so cute. All right, y'all, let's go to our second order. Y'all, so we back for order number 2. We have Demetria, y'all. This cold is really, I'm trying to push through, y'all. Gotta push through. Can't stop, won't stop. We gotta pick up for 2 jugs of wine for Demetria. Let's go get it. Hello, I got to pick up for Demetria.
Yeah, that's 2 bottles right there. Big one's heavy.
Okay, all right, thank you. Have a good day. Got the drinky drink, y'all. Let's go and drop it off to Demetria. Okay, y'all, let's go take Demetria her drink. Okay, y'all, we met a new friend. She was nice. Okay, y'all, let's go into our little spot and see if we can get another one. See y'all on the next one. It'll be our last one together too, and I'll let y'all know if we made our quota at the end. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all, we here at Marco's Pizza on our third and final order together. Let's go get this order. Okay, y'all, Charlotte isn't quite ready yet, but I just wanted to let all the moms know and dads, if you're looking for some quick extra money, think about doing gig work. People do need their food delivered. We have senior citizens, we have disabled people who just can't go drive or shop for their own items. So just consider apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart, Grubhub, Brody, things like that, just to earn extra money in your spare time. Just a thought. Yeah, it's a little wait on Charlotte order, y'all, so I'll be back once we get Charlotte order. We got the goods, y'all. Let's go ahead and drop off their order. See y'all at the location. Okay, you guys, I'm about to go in here and take Charlotte her order. See you in a minute. Okay, everybody, we dropped off Charlotte order, and now I'm going to do the rest by myself, y'all. I'm kind of tired to fighting this cold. Y'all forgive me for this video. Might be a little all over the place. But, okay, you guys, I'll let y'all know if we hit our quota later when I get done, okay? All right, peace.